In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an overpayment in Xero. Simple over-the-shoulder tutorial, 5 minutes. We'll walk through how to record a customer payment that's larger than the invoice and reconcile it properly so your accounts stay accurate and tidy. Start by signing into your Xero account. On the Xero website, click the login button, enter your email and password, and then click login again to access your organization. Once you land on the dashboard, head to your bank area and choose reconcile items. This is where you match bank statement lines to invoices and other transactions. Find the bank line for the customer payment you've received. If the amount is higher than the related invoice, we'll start by selecting that invoice and clicking Find and Match. This opens a panel with outstanding invoices for that contact. Select the matching invoice so Xero knows which bill is being paid. You'll notice the statement line total is greater than the invoice total. That's expected and exactly what we're handling. To capture the extra amount correctly, choose New Transaction. From the options, click Receive Money, then choose Direct Payment to start building a transaction for the remaining balance. Next, change the type from Direct Payment to Overpayment. This is the key move. By switching to Overpayment, you're telling Xero to apply the exact invoice amount to the bill and park the leftover balance as a credit on the customer's account. That credit can be used to pay future invoices or be refunded later, depending on what you and your customer decide. Before saving, double-check the details, confirm the contact, today's date, or the bank statement date, and that the overpayment amount equals the difference between the statement line and the invoice. If you like, add a clear description referencing the original invoice number for easy tracking. When everything looks right, click Save Transaction. You'll be returned to the reconciliation screen with the invoice matched and the overpayment created. Now you can click Reconcile to complete the match. Xero may display a confirmation. Simply click OK to finish. That's it. You've recorded the invoice, created an overpayment for the extra funds, and reconciled the bank line in one smooth flow. A quick tip, you can later apply that overpayment to a new invoice from the same customer, and it will appear as a credit available to allocate. This approach keeps your accounts receivable accurate and saves time on future reconciliations. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, feel free to replay any section while you work through your own reconciliation.